Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Simplex, I think it's like 4906 something. It's a Truealert Remote Strobe. Yeah, so let's unbox it. Let's try. So in the box we have, ooh, this is the best present ever, paper. Okay, so nothing else. Nope. Okay, so we have the Truealert Remote Strobe. I can take it out. It's a 4906-9201 Remote Strobe. So I've wanted one of these, like the strobe, for a while now. I used to have a white one, but I don't have that anymore. So let's see what this is like. So this is it without the, wait, this is it without the cover, just like it'd normally be. Yeah, you wire this up, these two, they're here. You mount it on the wall, and then you put your cover on, like that. Yeah, this can go with any Simplex system, non-Simplex system. Yeah, it's a great alarm to go with the pull station that I just got. The most recent unboxing video. I like the look of this. It comes with this, which is a cover so that the circuit board doesn't get messed up. It tells you their fire lettering. These are so you can take it off the wall, but it's kind of difficult. I don't really get why they're so small, or why they're in that spot, but like it's hard to take this off when it's on the wall because it's flat. Here's another look at it. I'm gonna try to do this. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share if you want to. Bye.